Have you ever wondered, is there a way for a plant to get food for days without you having to constantly add fertilizer? Imagine there was something that was buried next to the plant unnoticed and then released nutrients day after day, exactly when the plant needs them most. Sounds like science fiction? It's not. This is a trick used only by experienced gardeners who know how to feed plants smartly, without stress, without waste, and without unpleasant odors. Take a close look at your plants. If the leaves are yellowing, if the buds are falling off, if the fruits are staying small, this will completely turn them around. So write in the comment now, "My plants deserve something special," because that's exactly what you're going to learn today. It only takes 10 minutes to prepare this stuff, and it works for days. No pouring, no spraying, no smell. Just put it in the ground once, and the plant has everything it needs. What is it really about? It's time to find out. That's it, a nourishing candle for plants. Make it at home by melting some beeswax or paraffin, adding ground eggshells, a pinch of dry yeast, and some dried nettle or other herbal powder. You pour it all into a small mold, and when it hardens, you get a nutrient capsule that you just stick next to the plant. Every time the sun warms the earth or you water a plant, this candle slowly melts and releases valuable minerals into the soil. The plant does not receive a shock dose, but precise, gradual nutrition, ideal for tomatoes, peppers, courgettes, cucumbers, and flowering plants. If you like this trick, click subscribe, like and share the video with someone who might find this helpful. And write in the comment, "I'm making a candle for my garden." Let's see how many of you will try this small, natural revolution.